one and all, this is Shomodeep here with Meteora Weather Service, and today we will be discussing about the pan-India weather context for next 3 days. Moving on to the first segment, as it is like the satellite image weather observation, in which we can clearly see a cyclonic circulation over Gulf of Mannar area, which is causing a moderate to heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu and Kerala adjoining areas, but a significant low rainfall or no rainfall condition is prevailing over pan-India. In northern Indian condition, in the morning hours, foggy weather is prevailing, specifically over Delhi NCR and adjoining areas, as well as in case of northeast Indian condition. Isolated foggy alert will be prevailing over there because Arunachal Pradesh is getting a most importantly a foggy condition for near about long hours in the morning period. So we can demarcably mark that in case of Arunachal as well as few parts of northern India's conditions, specifically in Punjab, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh adjoining areas will be getting a foggy condition. Moving on to the next part, that is precipitation combination image, where we can see the overall precipitation outlook, where no rainfall being demarcated in Indian condition, where very less rainfall coverage is seen in central India, but as we move to the southern Indian context, a moderate to heavy rainfall is seen in Tamil Nadu and Kerala and adjoining areas. Only in the South India there is rainfall being prevailed. In other parts of India, only weather condition prevailing, which is having a foggy condition, where visibility is getting a problem in case of northern India, where visibility is getting quite low in case of Delhi and adjoining areas. Moving on to the next part, that is a very important or crucial factor, that is AQI, where we can demarcate the quality of air with different scale, which is good, moderate, unhealthy or sensitive, unhealthy, very unhealthy, and as well as hazardous. Why we are showing this particular PPT in this case? Because of a very important factor in case of last 24 hours or upcoming 24 hours within this period. Two places in Delhi that is showing a 999 condition, where it is quite high AQI index, which is showing an unhealthy or very unhealthy situation, where people are closely visible, like we have to give a particular alert to those areas because of wearing mask, otherwise there will be a respiratory tract problem and other health related issues because of this unconditional weather, which is very less prevalent but very much seen in case of winter condition in Delhi and adjoining area, because of this urbanization and population as well as population dynamics and pollution as well. Moving on to the next part, that is the rain for the basic pan-India 3 days, where we will see the risk factor analysis, where we will see the minimum temperature coverage of India, where in case of Andhra Pradesh, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu, starting with the South Indian condition, above normal temperature will be seen. But in case of total central India, along with few parts of northeast, that is including Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, is getting a chill weather condition, where temperature or minimum temperature will vary between 10 degree to 20 degrees Celsius, not more than that. And in case of extreme northern condition, where Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand will be getting a cold wave condition, where the temperature will, night temperature specifically will drop below 10 degree, while in case of Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, similar condition to that of this extreme northern part will be observed. Moving on to the next segment, where we have said already during the satellite image analysis and precipitation combination analysis, we have said only in case of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, because of the cyclonic circulation in Myanmar area, a moderate to heavy rainfall will be seen. So here also a patchy, normal, moderate to heavy rainfall is seen in case of Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, which will be prevailing in next 24 hours. Moving on to the next part, that is for the 19th of this month, we will be getting a temperature of 26 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum as 14 degrees Celsius, and a clear sky condition with a sunny condition will be seen in case of Delhi. Moving on to the next city, that is Kolkata, having a maximum temperature of 28 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 17 degrees Celsius will be seen. A clear sky condition, similarly a sunny condition will be seen as that of Delhi in case of Kolkata. Moving on to the next city, that is Mumbai. In Mumbai, a clear sky condition will be prevailing, but a quite high temperature of 34 degrees Celsius will be seen in case of maximum temperature, and minimum temperature will be 19 degrees Celsius approx. But in case of Chennai, the temperature of maximum being 30 degrees Celsius and minimum being 23 degrees Celsius will be observed, and a clear sky condition will be seen here also. Moving on to the next day, that is on 20th, Delhi will be seeing a maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 13 degrees Celsius will be seen on an average. A clear sky condition will be prevailing here also. But in case of Kolkata, a clear sky condition will be seen, but a bit higher temperature of 29 degrees Celsius will be recorded as the highest temperature, and minimum temperature of 17 degrees Celsius will be observed. But in case of Mumbai, a clear sky condition as well as 34 degrees Celsius being the highest temperature and the minimum temperature being recorded as 18 degrees Celsius. While in case of Chennai, in Chennai we will see a 30 degrees Celsius will be the highest temperature and the minimum temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius and a clear sky condition will be seen. Moving on to the next day, that is in case of Delhi, 27 degrees Celsius and 13 degrees Celsius as maximum and minimum temperature respectively will be observed in case of Delhi, and a clear sky condition will be seen. And moving on to Kolkata, where a clear sky condition will be seen, but also a maximum temperature of 29 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and approx will be seen over there. In case of Mumbai, 34 degrees Celsius will be the highest temperature and minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius will be observed, and a clear sky condition will be prevailing in Mumbai. In case of Chennai, a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius will be observed, and a clear sky condition will be still there. For this next 3 days, a clear sky condition will be prevailing in overall aspects in the top cities of India. So you can see from these three. Moving on to the last part, that is for more weather related information, informative videos, and for more other weather related advisories, please follow our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the black thumb blue and do follow us in Facebook. Thank you so much.